This is Dan Grimes, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Mortgage Angler. Today we're going to talk about self-employed borrowers. These borrowers may show income on their tax returns. However, they do not show enough money for a traditional mortgage, and that's what we're going to talk about today. A recent client of mine who just purchased a wonderful house came to me 2 months ago to get qualified to purchase this house. Well, I looked at her self-employed tax returns and they did not show enough income to qualify for the purchase. When I delved into the tax returns, I noticed that she had bought another business, which reduced her income significantly. So I asked her, let me take a look at the last 12 months of your bank statements. And when she did provide those, and sure enough, the deposits in her bank statements over 12 months showed that she did have stable income and she did have enough income to qualify to purchase for the house. It's a wonderful program. She closed 4 weeks later and she's very, very happy. This program, the 12-month bank statement product, allows loan amounts up to $4 million. The minimum down payment is 10%. Credit scores allowed down to 600. No tax returns required, no profit and losses, and no K-1s. You can use this for owner-occupied property. You can use this for a second home or an investment property. You must be self-employed, and we're going to look at your 12 months bank statements over the period of 12 months. Again, this program is great for self-employed borrowers who do not show enough income to qualify. If you want more details, please reach out to me. My name's Dan Grimes. I'm the Mortgage Angler, and you can reach me at 781-910-3776. I'm looking forward to helping you out.